Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and I'm a Fort Hays State graduate student. I enjoy staying active outdoors as well as coaching sports. My educational background is I completed my undergrad at Kansas State University in secondary education in 2014 with the social studies emphasis. I then completed my master's degree in Emporia State in special education in 2017. My first year teaching, immediately after my undergrad, I taught middle school social studies at Prairie Heights Middle School in Alta Vista for 1 year. My second year, I took 1 year and taught high school social studies at Independence High School in Southeast Kansas. Now, the following 3 years, I spent at Baser-Linwood High School in Baser, Kansas, teaching special education. And during that time, I've coached several sports. I currently coach high school football, as well as help out in the weight room. I've coached high school boys basketball, middle school boys basketball, and middle school track, and helped out with several other things. My personal goals are to get married and start a family in the first 1 to 5 years. In 6 to 10 years, I'd like to move to a larger home to accommodate my family and continue to grow. And then 10 years down the road, I want to maintain positive relationships with my family, and also be in a positive financial position, very stable. And then my professional goals are for the next 1 to 5 years to become a head high school football coach, and then the next 6 to 10 years, possibly becoming an assistant principal, and then beyond that, I would like to become, beyond 10 years, become a head principal at a high school. The reasons I chose Fort Hays State University was recommendations. My head football coach finished the program not that long ago, and then also the athletic director of my high school did a few years ago. My initial expectations of the program are that I'm going to learn a lot about the administrative process, be working on assignments and projects to learn a lot about that, and getting a lot of opportunities for growth as a teacher and administrator, and just learning, a vast volume of information while completing this program.